This is a quick look at making a recording using the Voice Memos app on the iPhone or iPad. You've probably already got the Voice Memos app installed, but to find it, swipe to the left and begin to type in Voice Memo, and it should come up under Applications. Tap on Voice Memos to launch the app. When the app comes up, you'll see a list of recordings already made, if you have them, and a big red button to start any new recording. Press that big red button when you're ready to record. Once recording starts, you will see a waveform showing you whatever it is that you're recording. And once you're finished recording, then the start button has now become a stop button, that red square. Hit that when you're ready to end. Your recording will automatically be named by your location, though this isn't very accurate. You may also want to change it to something more meaningful, so tap on it and type in a new title that is a more useful description of whatever it is that you've recorded. Now you may want to very quickly edit your recording, perhaps just to trim off the silence or sounds at the beginning or end of whatever it is you recorded. So click on the three little dots to bring up the share sheet and then hit Edit Recording to bring up the editor. Here you'll see you'll be able to trim away the very beginning of the recording. And so we just move it in a little way to get rid of that silence. I'm going to do the same thing, trimming away at the end of the recording, just to get rid of that silence. And then hit Trim to commit those changes. And then hit Done. And now your recording is complete, you'll probably want to share it, either by email if it's small enough or by Dropbox or something similar. So click on the three dots to bring up the share sheet again. Now click on Share, and from here you can select Mail or any other alternative service you might want to use to share your recording. If you click on Mail, it'll bring up a little sheet like this where you can fill in your recipient and any message to send with your recording, and then hit Send, and that's it.